In this tutorial, we will show you how to send notification or priority message to a worker via backend application. First, navigate to the Rosters tab and click View Rosters. You will see Rosters calendar for the current week. Simply right-click on the desired roster and click Notify. A pop-up window appears. You can enter the notification title and message and set the priority of a message and simply press Send Notification button. A push notification will be sent to Worker mobile app. By clicking on the notification, worker will be directed to mobile app dashboard with most updated notification on top of the list. Worker can view the message in detail and can acknowledge as well. History of the notifications or messages will be saved in the system. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.